Welcome to Arduino Step-by-Step Getting Started. You can use the Arduino to learn electronics, programming, robotics, create art, Internet of Things applications, and home and industrial automation systems, among other things. You can use it as a hobbyist, teacher, student, or engineer. I designed Arduino Step-by-Step Getting Started for the new Arduino Maker. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid understanding of the capabilities of the Arduino Uno, the best Arduino for people getting started. You'll be familiar with the capabilities of several other classic and modern Arduinos. You'll be comfortable with the essential prototyping tools and the usage, the Arduino programming language, and the Arduino IDE. You'll be able to use buttons, LEDs, and sensors. And you also learn how to read datasheets, use Arduino libraries, and acquire the necessary skills to create the gadgets you want. I invite you to review the free lectures in the first section to find out more details about the course.